All right, you are welcome again. We are still on indices, and then we are talking about index equation. Okay, let's take example 2 on the index equation. It says solve the index equation 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x minus 1 equal to 48. Okay, how are we going to solve this? Alright, we have 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x minus 1 equal to 48. Okay, let's see what we can do. We have 2 raised to power x plus, let's split this one into 2. Okay, now it's going to give us 2 raised to power x times 2 raised to power minus x. They are both 2 raised to power x minus 1. It's just like double of it. Okay, so when you perform the operation, or when you want to combine these 2 raised to power x multiplied by 2 raised to power minus 1, so if you combine them together, it will give you 2 raised to power x minus 1. Sure you understand, right? Okay, equal to 48. Now let's go. We have 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x in bracket, the 1 all over 2. You get it? This 2 raised to power minus 1 is the same as saying 1 all over 2. Okay, equal to 48. Now we have 2 raised to power x plus, now we're going to multiply this one. I have 2 raised to power x times half. It will give you 2 raised to power x all over 2 equal to 48. Now let's go. We want to remove this fraction. And then what we have to do is to multiply through by 2. Multiply through by 2. Okay, so we are going to have 2 raised to power x times 2 plus 2 raised to power x all over 2 times 2 equal to 48 times 2. Okay, so we have 2, you open bracket, 2 raised to power x plus, these 2 we cancel 2, remaining 2 raised to power x equal to 48 times 2 will give you 96. Okay, all right, let's go. We are going to have, in what we are having here, we have 2 raised to power x of 2 plus 2 raised to power x equal to 96. Now if you look at this expression very well, you discover that this one is saying 2 of, you have 2 in bracket, 2 raised to power x abi plus 2x. So this one is just like 2 of this and then 1 of this. So as you have 2 of these and 1 of these, you can actually add them together. So it will give you 3 of 2 raised to power x equal to 96. We are solving for 2 raised to power x, so we divide both sides by 3. So we have 3 of 2 raised to power x divided by 3 equal to 96 divided by 3. So these 3 we cancel 3. We have 2 raised to power x equal to 32. 96 divided by 3 will give you 32. Okay, so we have 2 raised to power x equal to this 32. We reduce it to half base 2. Okay, now so that will have 2 raised to power 5. That means 2 into 5, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, it will give you 32. So these 2 can cancel these 2. Okay, so we have x is equal to 5. All right, so our solution is x is equal to 5. All right, you can fix your value in above and solve and see if it is correct. All right, thank you very much. See you next time.